It's a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life. This Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. External memory control, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, power adjustable pedals, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.